Hey there, my name is Donald Cunningham, and in this video, I'm going to show you three things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is oftentimes, in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's the expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Don. Please do this for me. So if at the end of this video you like what you've seen and heard, you can shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now, most business owners know that they need content, but what they might not know is that the average length of the number one result on Google is 1,500 to 2,400 words. So you can show up at the top of Google. So right now you have 286 words on your homepage. Okay, this is your competitor's site. Now they have over 5,000, they have over 5,200 words on their um, homepage. No, I take that back. It's 1,500. They have over 1,500 words on their homepage. So this is a tool that I have called Ahrefs, and it gives me a behind the scenes background of what is going on with the website with Google. So it shows me they're being found for 62 organic keywords um, and with a traffic of 68 in a month. So if I click on keywords um, down here, it's showing these are the exact keywords that they're being found for. And these are the top ones right here, RWC. That's their name. So, but of course, but then you have roofing supply, San Bernardino, roofing wholesale, roofing supply. Um, these are the keywords that they're being found for. Okay, so now let's move on to the second thing I wanted to talk to you about, and that is citations. Okay, so now what I have here is the Google Map Pack. Now in the Google Map Pack, what a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number, and it shows up here in the Map Pack. And then also you want to have your citation, which we call a NAP, listed in as many of the directories across the internet as possible. And directories such as Yelp, BBB, City Star, Yext, and so on. So now you may be asking yourself, well, how do I get in these directories? Well, it's very, very simple. We use sites like WhiteSpark or Bright Local that will tell us exactly what directories your competition is listed on, and then we can literally go down their list and match what what directories that they're on. But then also we can add you to more directories. Okay, let's move on. Now, the third thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks, or what we call link juice. So when I do a search on building products in an empire, you're not in one of the top three, but that's where you want to be. And to get there, you need authority. So how do you get authority? Well, it comes down to backlinks. And a backlink is when one website links back to another website online. So the relevancy is what counts. The more relevant this site is, the more valuable the link is. So if I click on backlinks, I get a list of all the sites that are linking back to his site. Okay, coming back to your site, and we look at the backlinks. Actually, you have a lot of backlinks already linking back to your site. However, what we want to do is make sure that the links that are linking back to your competitor are also linking back to you as well. So that's one thing we would have to do in the backlink department. So getting on top is not magic, but it's a method, and I've shown you a method here. So once again, um, we went over content. You want your front page, your home page to have at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to um, have at least two to 300 of these to beat out your competition. And then the link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing to your guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be number one across Google. So what now? Well, you can either go with the information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself some time, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, this is Don Cunningham at 714-473-0269. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. What happened?